Logical connectors. So what is a logical connector? A logical connector, or connettivi logici, are a type of conjunction that link two or more thoughts, ideas, phrases, or clauses in a logical way. They allow you to smoothly transition from one idea to another. Okay, so there's really not a big difference between conjunctions and logical connectors. I separated them because I wanted you to just basically learn the basic conjunctions that we just went over. And those are, just very simple, basic little words that you can use all the time. And logical connectors, there's a whole long list of these connectors that basically you can use to connect, larger sections of a sentence together. So as this says, links two or more thoughts, ideas, phrases, or clauses in a logical way. So they're basically the same thing, but I just kind of separated them so that you could, like I said, memorize the conjunctions first and then move on to the logical connectors. Okay, so how many logical connectors are there? There are many, many, many logical connectors in Italian. So start by memorizing a few and then add more as you progress. Here's a few common ones to start with. Okay, so we have allora, means so or then. Quindi, it means therefore. Comunque, however. Dunque, thus or therefore. Cioè, that is to say. Infatti, in fact or indeed. Così means so. Se means if. Perciò is so or therefore. Altrimenti, otherwise. And then we have poi, then. Anche, also or as well. Neanche, neppure, or nemmeno all mean neither or not even. As you can see, these are basically the same word here, except that they add ne on the front, which negates it. Okay, so it makes it negative. Inoltre, besides. Al contrario, on the contrary. Anche se, even if. Okay, so I just combined anche with se, and in this case, together, it means even if. Siccome, since. Anzi, rather or on the contrary. Insomma, in summary. And invece di, instead of. I just put them together because it's commonly used together, but you can use it on its own as well. Note that conjunctions and logical connectors do not change form, so you can just memorize them. Okay, so like I said, these are logical connectors. So there's a lot more of them, and you can use them in a lot of different ways. And you can add those on to your conjunctions. Okay, these are all basically conjunctions, but it just depends on who you ask what category they actually put them in. Okay.